All right, so here's the situation. This thing ain't draining. You can see there's water in it still. I've got to release both of these, pull this out, and pull this mechanism out of here. This thing's 70 years old. So first of all, you don't want to lose your screws. So I'm going to put this right here. So first of all, you don't want to lose the screws down the drain. That would suck. So you're going to put that there. And then I just got to put my my driver on reverse. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. And then we're just going to unscrew them. Pull it out. Okay, there's that one. Now we don't want to lose these, so make sure you grab them. I'm putting them on the outside of the drain. Oh shit, my thing came undone. So that can happen when you're going backwards. So let me go forward. And I'm going to bring it up a little bit. I'm going to put it to 7. I'm going to torque it to 7. That way, maybe we'll go to 10. You see that? That rips my skin, so I gotta be careful. Okay, now we can reverse it, get that sucker out of there. So to put it on reverse, I go to the left side of the drill when it's facing forward, and I just press that button. So let's go in there. I got it torqued up pretty good. You see that's coming out, no problem. I'm not going to pull it all the way out because I don't want to drop it. So I'm just going to use my fingers on to get it the rest of the way. Okay, now we got those, right? Okay, so now check it out. Let's see what the hell's at on the end of this. So I just got to work this out. And usually this is what's... Oh, look, nothing. That is not encouraging. That is not encouraging. So that means that whatever's in there is, it's a problem, right? Yeah, look at that. Oh, geez. Geez Louise, I was hoping it was there, but it's not. So now I got to use an auger. So this is what I've got to use to go down that drain to see if we can unplug it. Hopefully I don't break anything. I've got to put a battery on it. All right, so I've got to take a battery off one of these because it's an 18 volter, right? So I squeeze the side, pull it, bam, ready to go. Hopefully this thing's good and charged up. I think it is because I did charge them. So I got to slide it in there like that. And then this thing just works basically. I got to put it on forward. And then it goes forward. And I want to go backwards, it goes this way. Let me show you. Forward here. Backwards here. All right, now we're going to go see if we can do this. So the situation is like this. If I try to auger this one, this goes like this, and then it's a straight right-hand turn. So I'm going to try to auger straight down this way into the drain, because I think that's going to be smarter to go this way than that way, because it's going to be hard to make that turn. It may just bump up against it and give me a problem. So we'll try to go straight down and see if we can get whatever's out of there. I'm hoping. We'll see. All right, this thing is kind of heavy too. You know what I mean, jelly beans? So what I'm going to do is I got to put it on forward, right? I push this in, and then we're just going to go. See how we do. Shit. I'm going to have to look in there with the flashlight and see what's going on. This may be a hard right turn too. Oh, I see. No, it should just go straight down. Yeah, let me show you guys. So look, you see? If you look in there, you see how it just goes, it just basically goes straight down. And it should just go right down. If I go down that way, I gotta make a hard turn. But here, if you look, it just turns right away. All right, so let's try again, see how we do. Oh, there we go. All right, we're on forward. when I'm augering, I'm going to go ahead and just speed this up so you guys don't have to watch me do this for 15 minutes. You can hear it, right? We'll go slow. It's getting lower. I can hear it at the bottom now. See how much we got in there. All right, let's keep going, see how far we can go. All right, at this point, I'm actually going very slow, but what I've done is I've sped this up about 500 times as fast, because I don't want you guys sitting and watching me do this, but this, I went very slow and methodical. Let's see how far we are. Huh. So we're getting in there. I mean, we're pretty deep. I'm definitely past this drain. I mean, I'm way past the drain, that connection. And I'm really not. Let's see if we can slide her back down in there. That's the tricky part right there, get past that. Let's see if I can get it to. There we go. Okay, we're on something. We're definitely on something now. Alright, I think we're going to go backwards. Alright, let's see if I can pull it out. I definitely got something. Yeah. Definitely. Whew! Look at that. Daddy did it. You found it. Pretty gross, huh? That is what was in there. Let me show you. So I was down probably 10 feet on the inside, and that's what I got. That is a gross situation. All right. So now the question is, let's see if we're draining. We pull this over. All right. I wonder if I should get Honey in here so she can see this too. She might want to see this hand. All right.
Oh, you're in here.
Come on in. Check it out. That was inside there.
Well, good.
Whew. I had to use the auger to get it out. And I had to go down through this pipe because this one turns.
Yeah. So, same for here.
I can't do that.
Why?
That one will drain better now because that leaks into this.
Oh, you think maybe?
Yeah, they all link together.
Yeah, okay.
So this was probably 10 feet down in the pipe. So.
Awesome. Thanks, that was great, Tommy.
All right.
Thank you. Good job.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Thanks, honey. And so now we've got I want to just kind of wash this stuff down and see if the drain's clear. Let's see. And we'll clean it at the same time. The question is was this all that was in there? Or is there more? Seems to be draining. also cleaning my auger at the same time. Seems to be draining, right? Seems pretty good. I think we're fine. Now I just got to get that off of the auger. I'm going to use some gloves. Definitely using some gloves on this. All right, so anyway, let me get a little light on this stuff. Yep, it looks like it's gray hair. That would be my hair. Oh shit, because I have long hair. All right, so now I'm just going to clean this stuff off of here. I got rubber gloves. So anyway, should come off pretty easy, right? So I strongly recommend not flushing this down the toilet because this is what clogs up your sinks. And you're just gotta, I'm basically unscrewing it off of here. You follow me? And then it just comes right off. And I may go for another run down through there. See if I can get any more of this. But that's it right there. Look at it. Wow, here. That's what was clogging up the drain. Pretty cloggy. Looks like it looks like somebody's dreadlock. Look at that. That will clog up your drain really good. But we got it out of there. So yeah. All right, so this is forward. That's reverse. When this is facing right here. When I put it in reverse and I turn it, it pulls it back in. And these things here squeeze against these little rings on the springs, and they just pull it back in. You don't want to do it too fast because it'll flail everywhere. So I just do it slow. You follow me? And as I do that, it kind of drips out all the stuff. That's basically what it does in the drain. It goes around in a circle like that. And you can see it takes forever. And I can feel it rolling in. And you can see how long it is right now. Let me set it down so it just barely gets there. So as I go, it's retracting in. And the faster I go, the faster it retracts. You can see it's slowly but surely getting shorter. The battery's starting to die. See if we can get to the end. Almost there. Takes forever. Yeah, that's pretty far. That's good enough. All right, now we can go ahead and put our mechanism back in there and screw it down. But we want to make sure we put that there so we don't get our things here. So I'll go ahead and take these off. Because, you know, that's pretty dirty. And my hands are nice and clean, so let's get rid of those. I'm going to set this over in the sink over here. Okay, so we need our driver, and we need our 2 screws. And all we got to do is put her back together. And before we do that, we want to put this here so we don't lose our screws, right? And then we're going to slide this down through there. This is supposed to catch the all the hair and stuff. It's just past that. So I've got to kind of push it in there like that. You see? And I'm just going to kind of feed it down in there. And then you see the water. This is a run over thing in case the water runs over. So that kind of protects you. But I need to have this on top and this part's on the bottom. All right, so this is the difficult part. I've got to line this up here and get it right in that little catch there. Okay, I've got it. So let's go ahead And let's put this on forward. See if I can get it started. Okay, I got it started. Now I gotta find this one on this side. That's the tricky part. That should be it right there. Let's see. So they're not really even. Alright, so that's that. You know? Alright, I think we're good. I think we did it. Alright, so hopefully we won't have too many drain problems anymore. You know, if you follow me. Alright, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you cool stuff like this right here and unclogging drains. Peace out! Cross your fingers. Alright, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I clean out drains with a Ryobi auger. Peace out.